Pynthor Kapatisi TV.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kejelau bak senyau bahalang dahar uloong. Bakajingakan an hapeneng kijai ben riu karbi nagasnong tapat bat ki kasi pena nagasnong lapangap kadai tang Jingkam Trai ye ki Pynthor kebah. Hakjingakan begelak pitai kubur hak sepau trik urisau araja absen. Ubak senyau bahalang ubadai ru chairman jong regional committee nagabentak Giant Hills uloong banadu kasnong kanduli bat kasnong pesiar. Idan katuk ani kijaka ki badan hapeneng Jingïakajia put bat ki dandu ki bamdan hapeneng Jingïakajia put. Kata ki bahab hak jela Meghalaya bat hak jela Assam. Uloong bag regional committee kan Trai kumunu ban penbai ia ni Jing'e dak bale ia Jingsor jamin.
This is only update you exactly what we had discussed yesterday. And yes, the incident took place as he already briefed the press. And at the same time, we are instruct our district administration to coordinate accordingly with them so there will be no escalate more in the present locations. So as of now, the situation is normal, it's under control. Hopefully, I think it will be okay in the next few days.
But are you planning to go to the counterpart?
No, at this junction.
So was the political
on the job as of now.
political talks called off following this?
No, political talks obviously at the Chimistan level since the incident took place, and that is because of the harvesting only. And the rest of the matter about the border issue, actually it's not a border issue problem. Actually, the issue should be very well because of the harvesting from the local resident, which had never happened before. That's why when Chimnisa has told me the Chimnisa was up, so everything we are trying to do this matter very closely to make sure there will be no more escalate in the next days.
So as a local MLA,
You guys yet to decide, but the regional committee of board state will be decided this.
so these are the dispute area.
Actually, all along those areas, you know very well, right from Kanduli and Pshare, some areas dispute, some is not. And the one which is happening yesterday is not a dispute actually, is the only thing area is for few, maybe Assam side or Meghalaya side, that the committees to decide, not the district administrations, the regional committee. So still pending, decision is still pending, it falls under which area.
So the farming activities.
So the farming is different. Farming, some Assam plus farming in Meghalaya side, some Meghalaya is farming on Assam side is usually happened.
So,
We will decide on the party field. Its activities, different subjects.
so what would
That's why we want to ensure that in the few days after discussion, it should be, the harvesting should take place normally as usual.
would harvesting stop now?
Presently stop.
Ya kak tien la jong pindam kam ya kabakan kiyo kak tien kasi kak tien la jong ai kan roy kan pa balai pi ong gate habangi don la ka jong ka tien kasi kerdop lani phalor beli lani khang ya katuka phalor ni ju ya ong saka weipan kakten kasi kam juong ban ya kiw yaw up hinrangi kiw yaw thep to da yakan mau kendit ho lapan mi da kapati CTV na kabenta ka jingmentoy upat ba